Anthony Robbins says that our mind is like a video camera, and we take this video camera wherever we go. And it is in your hand to choose on what to focus this video camera. Now, whatever you focus on will determine how you feel, how you behave, and what results you produce in life. So let's take that you take this video camera to a wedding. Now, in a wedding, there are many things happening. Somebody's eating, somebody's laughing, somebody's dancing, somebody is, having a good time with friends and relatives. And it is also possible that somebody is fighting. Now, if you choose to focus your camera on two people fighting, then when you come back and somebody asks you, how was the wedding? You will say, my God, it was horrible. Everybody was fighting. Let's take another example. You go to a party, and then again in a party there are many things happening. And if you choose to focus on things that are boring, then when somebody asks you how was the party, you would say, man, it was a boring party. So whatever you choose to focus on will determine how you feel. So that's what we do in life also. Even though there may be a lot good happening in our life, we choose to look for something that is bad in our life, and then we focus on that, and then we put it up on a 70 screen and then say to ourselves, oh my God, my life is horrible. You can do the reverse also. No matter how bad your life is, there must be one small good thing happening in your life. So focus your camera there and then put it up on a 70 screen and feel good about it, feel great about it. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.